What's up, guys? It's Steeze, and today we are back with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be playing guess the emoji, guess the word by its emoji, something like that. Yeah. So the rules are like we'll divide the teams into 3-3. 2 teams, so it will be 3-3. And for example, if you know the word, you have to tap. Yeah, and then you say you get 2 chances. 2 chances. Yeah, 2 chances. 2 chances. And then if you just answer without tapping the table, it's minus.
No.
So wait, if I 0, it goes -1.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't get the point, but the other team get the point.
Okay, bet.
Fine, so excuse me, girl. Hey.
Hey, can we?
Listen, the time I see a type shit, you can be seeing it was it's draining type shit. So you need to be ASAP.
Rainbow.
Right.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Facts. First was this. Let's see.
It's a rainbow.
We're first to how many points?
Yeah.
First to,
Okay, 10 points.
Rainbow.
and then the losers.
Nah.
Rainbow. Yeah.
First,
What's
the team's name?
What's our team's name?
The nigger.
No, don't say so. Please.
One,
Just say the
two
What's the
BBC
team name? What's the
versus
team
one
DM.
white bunny.
DM.
Hey, you don't know.
What's the team name?
DM. Just take DM.
DM.
Yeah.
Yo,
This guy's slicing so many games. That's why.
yo.
Ah, goddamn.
UN.
But for me, not
UA. Okay, bet. First point to the UA.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Next
Who is our
question.
name?
Listen, here comes the.
No, UA. You get.
Hot dog.
Okay, bet.
Yeah,
Let's
already.
see.
My boy, please.
Hey, we know
Oh, this guy no more show.
Oh,
Okay.
hot
So
dog.
now it's 1-1. What's his?
Yeah, DM this.
DM, the guy who started to mean DM. Oh my god.
Hey, bro, you
Of course,
can't.
of course.
This dude was shitty, man. He hits his head.
Yeah, man, we answered it.
What was the first one?
I was the first. Hey,
What was the first one? I don't know. What was the
He
first
saw
one?
his eyes.
Okay, but I think you have to tap. Wait. You have to tap, and then he has to point.
I didn't know that.
No.
Yeah, don't just tap and then.
Bro, if he has to point, then he start choosing the groups.
No, but the first one, you have to tap, and then that's when you say, okay, go
Skip
on.
this one. Skip
No, don't skip it.
Yeah, skip it.
Don't put your hand. Skip it. Yeah.
Sunflower. Niggas knew it.
No, I like your energy,
Cowboy.
man. Yeah, I like it. Cowboy.
Yeah.
He's like, come on, the boy.
Anything's wrong with my hand.
No. Take your hands
Second
off.
point to the
I don't care. Take your hands
You have
off.
two also.
Oi!
You got one.
Wait, you can't do it. He can't do that.
He's not doing it.
No, I have my hand over here. Can you do that? I have my hand over here. And then I do that. Stop.
I mean, do your team.
I said.
No way.
Stop doing it. You, man.
Milkshake.
Milkshake, yeah, of course.
Milkshake. Right.
Yeah, we got it correct.
You are the master of the group here, man.
Shake me.
Oh. Now it's what is 3v2.
3-1.
No.
We got it.
We got 32.
Listen, you got 3, they got 2.
It doesn't matter.
What's the first one?
I got
Toothbrush.
Yeah,
Toothbrush.
These are too easy. No, it's white teeth brush.
No.
It could be toothache.
What for the 80?
I don't know.
Okay, bet.
It's literal
So-
brush there. 3-2.
Nah,
3-2. Nah. Hey.
3-3.
Nah. What mama
I did first.
It was
It's
Alright, you have to guess them.
Bro, du kan inte bara knocka utan veta. You can't just do it without knowing.
But I know what it is.
Give it to him then.
No, wait.
He doesn't even know.
Yeah, but
5,
No,
4,
wait. But he needs to
3.
Teacher.
Two.
You got that
Teacher.
teacher.
I said it. Teacher.
Teacher. I said teacher.
Bro, you can't
Listen, before you do that, sis, you need to know the answer. You
No,
get.
no, it's teacher.
Yeah, but
Man is
sometimes
not
we need
teacher.
to guess.
No, bro, I said it before.
Mais du
bro.
soir avec face, tu vois, il y a un
Pas un qui vient la main.
That's it. Makes me fear now.
Yeah, tell us them.
3, 2, 1. Lovebird. Lovebird or it's Cupid? Lovebird.
Cupid. I say Cupid then.
I said Lovebird.
Cupid.
Lovebird.
You don't need to call.
Lovebird, yeah.
Lovebird.
Yeah.
He's gonna say Cupid.
You ain't.
About mosquito.
Oh.
Ooh! Same thing, yeah.
Down, bro.
Nice one.
Can you tell me the point, Hank? I don't know the point.
It's 5, 3, 5, 4, 3 to us.
Yeah.
No. Snowman.
Snowman, no, gang. That's
Snowman.
He said
Snowman. Or Snowgood bear.
Bro, this dude's got a shit in his hand.
Nah, I didn't say snowman because there's a lot of snow. That's a lot of snow.
Sit down.
I got the brain.
Let's give the assist the point.
I did first.
Hey, wait, how
I
do
called
you
it first. I called it
swear.
first. I called it first. I called it first.
Hey, bro, don't get.
Production, can you?
Yeah, he's pointing at me. He's pointing at me.
Okay, bet.
Fire truck.
You're
Yeah, bro,
racist.
that's right.
You're racist. Look at him.
This is funny.
It should be like.
Of course, the fire truck.
Yeah.
Don't change, bro. It's fire.
What?
Oh, look here,
Yeah,
look here.
I said it. I called it.
What about if start looking?
Brother.
Yeah, you need to start
He's taking the
Brother.
Hey, bro.
Brother.
You need to start looking.
No. I was first. On my mama I was first. On my mama.
Yeah, do it. Hey,
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's the question.
No.
What?
rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper,
Okay.
Rock, paper,
I'm
scissors,
free.
shoot.
Okay.
Now, what? Best
What?
one, best one, best one,
Alright.
best one.
1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Scissors.
3. 1, 2,
Paper.
3. 1,
Scissors.
3. 1,
Paper.
2, 3. 1,
Scissors.
2, 3. 1,
Paper.
2, 3.
Nah, bro,
Hey, butterfly.
Don't fuck up the table.
I remember that joke. You know, my grandpa threw out.
Yeah, the butter.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I wanted to see the butterfly. Butterfly.
please, again.
Flying.
Now look here.
Hey, look here, bro, look here.
Let's see. What do my mother
Waar is het?
Hot chocolate.
Ah,
It's so easy, bro. This is the
doe
first
spel,
one.
doe dat aan.
Right, I was just thinking, I was saying.
5, 4. 5, 4.
Who's that?
5, 4. 5, 4.
Okay, bet.
5, 4.
Nice.
That's Burger King.
That's it.
Burger King.
The king of the baggers.
Let me.
Hey, look here, bro.
Yeah, I'm seeing you. I got you.
No.
I said it first.
Bro,
I said it
Nah.
first.
Say.
Listen. This one I saw it. Before the one he showed, you already did this.
You didn't even show.
No, wait. When it showed, okay, I saw okay, and then boom. The second I saw the pie in the
Okay,
ratatouille.
You get it.
Ratatouille.
I bet it's not the one.
Oh,
Hey, wait,
he
wait,
said
wait.
ratatouille, bro.
I see.
Hey, look, pie and rat. It can't be ratatouille.
Pirate.
Ah,
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah. Bro, you fucking song. Hey, get in.
But wait.
Bro, sleeping, he started cooking.
But it doesn't even show. It's like this.
Yes.
Wait. It's like this.
Nah, that's lit. Nah, bro, we are thinking about the movie. I know. I like
Bro,
the
you
movie.
gotta stop.
But it was
When
a
it's
good
in,
thing.
Yeah,
he
the
goes-
movie's
he goes
there.
like this.
So,
5.
I did it before.
No,
you.
I did it.
before you. I did like this before you.
Let me take it.
I'll say
No, I did it
it.
before
Pancake, mate. It's
The
pancake.
pan and the cake.
Bro, chill.
Oh, of course.
You
We
need
can
to
say
stop
pan and the
doing
cake.
this before you clean what's up.
ooh.
Now, wait with your hands.
Yeah, wait for sure. Like, wait.
Everyone.
Yeah, wait.
I said I called it.
Nah,
You
wait.
saw me. I was the
No,
media.
see,
You
no,
called that
hey,
paper.
now, see why it's hard. They confuse you. But
Yeah,
that's
please
so.
I
check
said
the camera.
Just one.
I said it
You
first.
know yourself, this nigga be cheating all the time, man.
Nigga, I ain't be cheating, no.
Hey, don't brush out. Don't brush out.
I was first.
Don't brush out.
I was first. Fucking I'm ready, yo. Do not touch
Take the
me.
page, drop
See
it.
what I mean?
One.
That's fair. Don't do
It was
it.
me first, man. It was me.
Huh?
It was him.
It was me.
It was him.
It was me.
Okay. the one with the best verse freestyle gets the point.
Okay. On a cold and empty night, I was all alone to love.
That's a song, that's a
saw
song.
you walking by.
Freestyle,
No, it's his
freestyle.
song. It's his song. He made that song.
Okay, I walk by a shop, feeling my heart. Can I see a one with you? I'm winning this battle, cause the toilet paper is the answer, and I'm the key.
Nice one. Nice one. That's
You're the freestyler, bro. You're the freestyler.
Then I won, we won.
Yeah, then we won.
He has already said the answer. 1 for 20. 1 for 20.
But what did you say?
Twin, what's his point?
6-5.
6-5 to us.
No.
6-5 to us.
No.
It's 6-5 to us.
Wait, nah, 6-6.
6-6.
Yeah.
6.
Bro, pause.
It wasn't
What one
Basketball.
him?
I'm saying it.
Bro,
Basketball.
it doesn't even show.
Basketball.
It
Bro, it doesn't even show.
You gotta shoot it.
And he got this, and then
I see this.
Yeah, of course.
And
It's
then
the
ball.
first one. It's the first one.
Basketball.
No, bro, he doesn't even
Basketball.
see.
Okay, do the same thing. Do the same shit.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, you're the man.
Check
Bro,
it. It's
like,
basketball.
it's basketball. Everybody
Okay,
knows it. But
You know, do the same shit. Do the same shit.
Yeah, but he cannot do it. He has to wait until it's
No. Fuck it, man.
Bro, I should have shown what's in copy or some shit. That's it. That's it.
Yes.
No, it's not even me. Moonlight.
You are
Moonlight.
Vad för är du arg mannen?
Det var grym affär med Moonlight.
Take it easy. The point.
Moonlight.
It was.
You see.
Maple syrup.
Wait, what?
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
No, wait. Hold on.
Both gotta guess. It's
Wait.
finished.
Yeah.
Both gotta guess.
Ice cream.
Hold on,
beer.
what the fuck?
Beer. Yeah.
It's beyond.
I said it.
I was first before you.
Yeah, he was.
I think Red Bull. Fuck. It was so easy, bro.
Come on,
It was so easy.
Bro, building you like a dude.
And I know the bitch.
Hey, bro, what? You get me?
No, God, me.
I saw it. I swear to God, you saw it. You can take the cap.
Now, where to? I saw him.
But he did it
No,
for you.
bullshit.
No. Doorbell.
Oh, well, master. Now in the horse.
Last point wins.
Last point.
Last point wins. I'm saying this bitch ain't gonna count.
He doesn't
Wait.
He doesn't even show, bro.
Wait.
Oh, you did
The
not
research.
You didn't show us, just chopping good. What the fuck is this, man? MVP.
Yeah.
The second watermelon.
Yeah, it's watermelon.
You see, I wasn't capping. You saw, I wasn't capping.
Wait, come back.
Watermelon.
Why are you dancing, boss?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Imagine it's not watermelon.
It is watermelon night. It is watermelon. It is. On the MVP.
Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand. The type of